Several years ago now, I was very lucky enough to win this model steam engine off of eBay. Now when I got it, it didn't look like this. It was missing an awful lot of parts. It didn't have any flywheels, it didn't have a safety valve, it didn't have a chimney, and it didn't have a burner. And the boiler itself was all full of holes, but it was well worth it because this is an extremely rare steam engine. This is a Careast overtype. Now, we don't know much about Careast model steam engines except that they were a UK company that made model steam engines in the mid to late 1940s. And that's about all there's known about these. These are quite rare. They do come up on eBay occasionally, and there's a few videos online of these actually in action, and there's quite a few pictures floating around. There are a few collectors who've got these, so I was actually able to make up some flywheels and all the parts that were missing from the photographs that I actually saw online. So why am I showing this now? There's already a video on my channel of this engine. Well, the reason I'm showing this now is because of this. This is an even rarer Careast engine. This is the vertical, and I think there's only about one video on YouTube of one of these actually in action, and there's very few pictures online of these. These are extremely rare compared to the overtype. So we'll take the overtype off of the turntable and let you have a look at the upright. This is probably built same time period, mid to late 1940s. As I said, these are extremely rare. This is the only one I've ever seen on eBay, so I was determined to get this one, and I didn't actually have to pay too much for it, which I was quite pleased about. Now, there's a few things with this that are not standard. The seller made the point of explaining that the firebox, the whole black piece here, is a replica that's been made as a copy from a picture that he had of one, because the original firebox, I believe, was just too far gone to be of any use. But I've studied this, and I've studied the pictures, and it's a very, very good replica. I believe originally it would have been riveted, but this is small 6BA or 8BA screws holding it all together. The other thing is, this has been added, this steam outlet from the boiler. I don't know why. I think this might have been a whistle at some point in time, but this is not normally on the Careast vertical boilers. But other than that, it appears to be all pretty much there. It looks to be in very, very good condition. I think the safety valve might possibly be a replica rather than the original, because it seems to be cleaner and newer than the rest of it. But yeah, I'm extremely excited about this because these are so rare. There's no burner with it, but I'm fairly certain I've got a burner that I will be making a burner, but I'm fairly certain I've got a burner from one of my other engines that I can use to get this going. And literally there's no reason, assuming there are no leaks, I don't see any reason why we can't just get this steamed up straight away. So that is what we'll do. We'll get it steamed. Well, I think we've got pressure up. There's a few leaks. This is leaking and the safety valve's leaking, but yes, there we go. Definitely need some attention around the safety valve and on this extra steam thing here. As you can see, there's quite a lot of leaks, but it is sort of running. So, right, I've got some more mess in there. And it's running, amazing. I think I need to address these leaks. There's too much steam leaking out of here, and it's just losing pressure basically. So, and we can pretty much prove that. Yeah. There's obviously nothing wrong with it, it's just that it's leaking too much steam for the mess burner to maintain it running. But yeah, it runs fine. You'll sort out those steam leaks and it'll be perfectly okay. So there you go. Careast vertical. Under steam for the first time since I've got it. Few little problems, but nothing that can't be sorted out. So, hope you enjoyed the video and thank you very much for watching. Cheers!